Hi, I'm Ariel Attractivo. For this video, let's do file and folder management. So let's go to Google and let's find Google Drive. And we're here in Drive, so let's create a folder and let's rename it as MBA Portfolio. In this portfolio, let's create 5 files. So for this one, let's do file management. Another one for email management. For the third one, let's do data entry. You can name it on your own. Like what do you want to choose a name or a file? Another folder for important or urgent. And the last one is not important. And to highlight it, let's organize it with color. Let's choose pink. Another for violet or magenta. And we're done. It's so easy.